Hi guys, it's CJ. I'm painting today on this 12 by 24 inch canvas. I've already laid down coat of white, and I'm going to do a flip cup. I haven't done one in a long time, so we'll see. We'll see what happens. I'm going to start in the cup with the white house paint from Walmart. It's called Color Place. And these colors that I'm using are all Craft Smart. I got them in a variety package, and I will give you the exact names of the colors in the description box. I'm going to put in some of this lilac, well actually lavender, some pewter. This didn't come in the package. This is some pink raspberry house paint. And 24 karat gold by Folk Art. This is also from the variety pack. I think I have enough paint in here. I'm going to put a little bit more white. Okay. And, oh, God. Pretty tidy flip. And off it goes. Oh, those are some pretty colors, aren't they? Sorry. Try to keep it in frame. And that was a lot of paint wasted. That's okay. I'd rather waste a little paint than try to put too much paint on the canvas at once, you know? So I'm going to give this a torch. Take out any air bubbles and maybe bring out some cells. Pretty cells over here. A lot of them. I don't need to torch it a lot. It's going to get awful busy with all those cells. I've got a piece of canvas showing here. I'm trying to cover it up. And in doing so, I'm losing a lot of paint off that side. Let's see. Maybe I'll just put a little bit of white there. Not a lot, just a little bit like that. It's hard to fill in places like that. It's difficult for me anyway. Very pretty. I just love these colors. I don't know, I like it. Do I want to move it anymore? Very pretty the way it is. What do you think? I'm not often so lucky in these flip and drags to get a nice outcome right off the bat. And I'm not going to fool with it anymore. I like it. I think it's very pretty. Very pretty. I'll give you a close-up at the end of this video. Thanks for watching. You can find all my information, including website, in the description box. And again, I will give you the exact names of these colors. These paints are so pretty. And I will see you next time. Bye. I'm going to do a companion piece to the piece that I just did, and these colors, and I will give them to you as I pour them in the cup. I'm going to start by laying down a coat of white. This is house paint from Walmart called Color Place, and I use an awful lot of it. Good value. I need to add some. There. Okay. I'm going to start my cup with the white. These are the rest of my paints, well, all except for the metallic, are these Craft Smart paints that I got in a package, a variety package. And I'll give you the exact names as I go along, I'm sorry, in the description box. This is Pewter from Liquitex Basics. It's the one that's not a house paint. And also 24 karat gold. It's not a house paint either. I don't want very much paint in this cup. Oh, well, that put a wrinkle in my plan. That's okay. Easily remedied. Okay. For my flip cup now. I'm going to add a hole to the bottom. Oh, these paints have dimethicone in them. Just a few drops in each cup. And as was the case in the first one of this pair, I prepared too much paint. But I like that amount on there now. I think that's just right. Look at the pretty cells. You can see this. I'm going to give it a torch. Get those air bubbles out. I don't want any more cells. It's just packed with cells right now. That's pretty. Very pretty. I'm happy. I don't think I want to do anything else to it. I may blow it in a couple of places. Yeah, very pretty. I love that pewter. So pretty. Very pretty. I love this through here. I hope you can see that. Very simple, but pretty. Very pretty. I'm going to smooth out the white over here in the corner. I might just take it off the tray. Very pretty. Okay, there you have it. I'm going to give you a close-up. You can find all my information in the description box below. I'll give you the exact colors I used, and as well as my website and Facebook page. If you have any questions about the technique, the paints, anything, just leave them in the comments section, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.